every street, in every town, we hear the voices we won't let down. Through every struggle, through every tear, we stand beside you, we're always here. We may be simple, but our hearts are strong, lifting each other where we all belong. Unity life, we're reaching.
Man na parang gusto kong tulungan lahat. Ang daming dapat tulungan sa Luzon. Ang main purpose talaga natin is makatulong. At eto na po, si Unity Life po ay talagang malaking tulong sa ordinaryong pamilya.
Hear the call, helping the community, one and all. Through every storm, we'll be your light. Together as one, together we rise.
Pero mas masarap tumulong muna. So, because of this community, maranasan ninyo yung tumulong. Kahit sa 4 pesos, pero dito sa 4 na piso, malaki na yung benepisyo na bibigay natin. Pwede ba palakpakan natin yun?